How to fix login not available. Right now, WhatsApp. If you're seeing the login not available right now error on WhatsApp, here's how to troubleshoot it quickly. First, check WhatsApp's server status, as the issue might be on their end. You can use sites like Down Detector to see if others are experiencing problems. If the servers are fine, try restarting the app by closing it completely and opening it again. Sometimes this simple step can fix minor bugs. For Android users, clearing the cache can help too. Go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, and tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing the error. Make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp by updating it in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, as outdated versions can lead to login issues. A device restart can also refresh background processes that may be interfering with WhatsApp's login. Check your network connection to ensure it's stable, and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or toggling airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. If none of this works, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp to ensure you're using a fresh version of the app. Also, make sure your phone's date and time settings are correct. Go to Settings, General Date and Time, and enable the Automatic setting. If you've tried everything and still see the error, it might be a temporary issue on WhatsApp's end, so waiting a few hours could resolve it. Hopefully, these steps help you log in successfully and get back to messaging. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tech tips and fixes. Thanks for watching.